Hi everybody, Patsy's back. Now we're going to continue on with how to upload a video. So first we're going to go up here. You can see that we're in our channel, and we're going to hit the upload arrow in the top right. Go select our file to be uploaded. I think I'll go over here and upload my latest video for our clients. And now that we have that uploading, I'm going to go over here and pull up the script. And I'm just going to copy that first section. And go over here and put a couple spaces in, do a Control-V so you can put in that section of your script. We're going to add it to our playlist. We're going to create a dynamic grabbing title so people will want to watch it. And I'm going to just copy that and go over and see how it works in my headline analyzer real quick. I got a 70, that's not too bad. So we'll go ahead and use that for now. And then I'm going to go in and put in my, put in my tags, which are my keywords. I'm going to stop there. There's a whole bunch of keywords that I go and put in. Now I'm going to go over and double check that I have everything correct here. And I do. My basic information is there. I am going to select a different time to upload to my social media account, so I'm going to leave it there. And you can see I'm 42% loaded. It's already given me a URL that my video will be seen at. So I'm going to go ahead and let this upload. I'm going to go ahead and put in my custom thumbnail. And it's this one, some for YouTube. That just doesn't have the play button graphic on it. And there you see my thumbnail that's going to be applied to it. And it's taken a little bit for it to upload. So while that's uploading, I'm going to go over here to Facebook and go to Iron Point Mortgage. And on your business page, you can see this is our business page for Iron Point Mortgage. Down on the left, it has videos. So you can actually click on videos. I have a featured video that plays. Here you can create playlists. You can see add a playlist, and you can reorder them on your page. Very similar to YouTube. And here's, if I edit the playlist I already have, I can edit, delete it, I can edit the title, I can reorder the videos, I can change videos. And down here, under all the videos, I can add videos. So I'm going to go ahead and add a video over here. I don't want to add the same video that I just uploaded to my site because, excuse me, like I said before, you want to make sure that you have 48 hours on Facebook before you put it up onto YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one up. And I can put a title in here. of a long title. I'll go in and put in my, excuse me. Let me go find that one. That is the 203. Just bear with me here. I just need to see my icons. That's not the right one. So I was trying to do an FHA streamline. There we go. Sorry about that. So here I'm going to go ahead and pull up my FHA streamline script so I can use that for the description for my video. I'll go ahead and take that whole paragraph and let's see how much it'll let us put in here. And then you want to be sure and put in your address through your tags. And here you can put in home loans, mortgage, FHA loan, whatever your tags are. And then we're going to go over to the right side where it says thumbnail. Go to the second section where it says add image. And here we have our thumbnail that we use. And that's pretty much it. And we just say publish. Now, on the publish, you can actually schedule it. You can say publish now, or you can schedule it for another date. I'll go ahead and set this for tomorrow at 8 a.m. and say schedule. So now you're going to see that it's going to come up that this video has been scheduled. It's only 40% loaded, so it's going to take it for a little bit. So let's go over to our YouTube channel, and you can see everything is downloaded now, and all I have to do is say publish. And then let's go back to our page. Hit customize channel.
Mortgage right here. Beautiful.
And it should show up right here. And it does. So we should have it on our homepage as well. It may be taking it a minute to repopulate. Let's go over here to my channel and hit customize. You can see now it is right here. So that's all there is to uploading a video. And you just want to make sure your playlists are there. You can create playlists from there, but you want to do that in advance so you can get your settings and get it in a section on your YouTube channel. So that's it. I hope this helps remind you how this works. Let's go over here to Facebook, and it's still uploading, so it's going to take another minute. But you'll see that this video is now scheduled to post onto Facebook at 8 o'clock tomorrow. And remember that whenever you're scheduling, whenever you upload on Facebook, it automatically goes to your friends and family's newsfeed. So you don't want to upload 5 or 6 of them all at one time and just say publish now, because it's going to inundate people. So you want to make sure you spread those out, and that's easy to do. You can just schedule them in advance. And but make sure that you've got all of those on YouTube first. So this is almost done because I want you to see what it looks like. The birds are awful loud today, so I hope you can hear me okay. This is almost done. Go over here, customize channel. Now, I accidentally put that in household and lifestyle tips, and I really should have put it into real estate and home loan tips. So I'm going to show you quickly how to change that since we're there. We're going to go over here to our Creator Studio and go to, we're at Video Manager or our dashboard. And I can hit Edit right now on that video, and I can just go down here and click off of that one and click on the one that I wanted and save changes. And that should be ready to go. So here we go. This one is 100% done. Now you can see it is scheduling. Here we go. Video post scheduled March 24th at 8 a.m. And that is all there is to uploading onto Facebook and into YouTube. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Thanks again, guys.